My name is Marcus. I'm actually the managing director for SportX JPAC, which is Japan and Asia Pacific region. And just to let you know, SportX, in case you don't know who we are, we're actually a video-focused advertising exchange and SSP, and we work with video demand partners, and we work with premium publishers for video. SportX is actually a Denver-based HQ company in the US, and we have footprint across the world, especially in the US. We have also expansion in London, across London, in London, in Germany, and different parts of Europe. And my role is actually to take SportX into Asia Pacific. I have an existing team sitting out of Sydney, but my task is really to build out the team across Asia into the 30 countries in Asia. I think it's very interesting for a video market, as we all know that the next big budgets of advertising is going to come from video. And we all talk about the excitement of having video as a key driver for advertising, because it's actually very much more quality and it has a lot more content, and it's closely needed to content. So in Asia, I think the opportunity is that it's still a very nascent market in general, but the realistic is that everyone is excited about video advertising because it has a lot more depth and there's a lot more opportunities. And definitely in Southeast Asia, we're looking at India, Southeast Asia, we're looking at opportunities of partnership in China, in Japan, and we're also looking at any other partners who would like to come to us and work with us, especially in Asia. That's my responsibility. I think the opportunity in Asia is that it is a very nascent market, as I mentioned earlier. Everyone is excited about it. There's an opportunity to be going into the market and building up a technology that allows partners, whether it's buyers, sellers, to actually engage SportX. And we have that technology. We have been in the space with companies been around since 2007, and we've been in the space for a long time. And we're also part of the RTL group. And so with RTL and with all the technologies that we have developed, especially for video advertising platform, I'm very confident that we will actually be able to provide that solution to Asian advertisers, whether it's on the buy side or sell side. And of course, we're also looking at the evolvement of advertising on video, where we're looking at potentially programmatic TV, linear TV, and even connected TV as a solution for an enhancement to advertising via video. You know, I've been in Barcelona for the last 6 years, I guess. Every year we see the progress of MWC becoming more and more mobile, more and more driven with advertising. Today we have 8.1 and 8.0, two big halls that has a lot of ad tech players, and we do see that going forward there's going to be more. And for us at SportX, the opportunity is that we are engaging a lot of partners, whether it's publishers or whether it's advertisers or demand partners, not just in Asia but across the globe. Personally, for me, I think the opportunity is engaging more and more Asian visitors who is actually coming out here into Barcelona to find out more about technology and what we can offer them on a global basis.
Great, terrific. So a very busy and productive week for you then.
Yeah, it's been quite exciting. It's always Barcelona MWC is a great event. It's a great fun and it's lots of vibes. Always looking forward for the event.